it's your whoa, my voice. Hey guys, it's Shira and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be tackling this mess over here and then this mess back here. So this is where I keep like my jeans and my sweaters, and then this is where I keep like my hair care, my skincare, and like perfumes and stuff. So I need to organize that really well. And this is my TV. I don't watch TV anymore, but it's still there because I obviously have the TV. I don't know what to do with it. So I'm going to just kind of dust this off and kind of clean it because it's a mess. And yeah, so we are going to tackle this corner over here in my room. So if you guys want to see that, then keep on watching. So it's kind of going to be like my other cleaning video when I clean the other side of my closet. Yeah, so let's dig in. Let's do the closet first. Okay, so we're going to start. I'm about to fall. Okay, so we're going to start with the top portion of my closet. I got you zoomed in to see my closet. And actually, on the other side, as you saw, like when on the other side, I did have mismatch hangers on that side, but I switched those ones to purple. And then I took out the pink and the coral colors. And I also have this blue turquoise color. So I'm kind of like organizing my hangers, but still I'm not getting rid of all of the colored ones that I have. And then I have just like a bunch of mess up here, a lot of like yearbooks and stuff on this side, and then just random things I have up here. So let's just clean it up. I'm going to start off with the jeans though. So I'm going to just start getting rid of jeans that I don't wear. I have way too many jeans that I do not wear. Like these I don't wear. These jeans are just so cute. I got these from Fashion Nova. Okay, so I'm going to put my jeans on these coral hangers, the ones that I want to keep. So I know I have a lot of pairs of jeans still. I got rid of 3 at least. And then if I buy more jeans, I need to get rid of more. So okay, so in this little corner area, this is where I like keep my sweaters and stuff. So I'm going to go through this, and I also have my cheer uniforms, my prom dresses, my winter ball dresses, like everything that's like from school I usually keep in this corner over here because it's like hidden, nobody can see it. So I'm going to start with the sweaters I wear the most and kind of organize them like how I wear them, because it is going to start getting cold and I'm going to need sweaters. So we're going to do the same thing I did to the other one and start organizing what I want to get rid of and what I want to keep. So I have a lot of stuff that fell in this corner, and I do have like a comforter. I think I'm going to switch my comforter because, I don't know, I'm getting tired of that one. A lot of boxes from when I bought my new curling iron and stuff, so I think I can get rid of that stuff. So this is the new comforter. It's just a little quilt. Oh. So I have some Halloween jelly decorations. I could put that on my vanity. This could be donated. Oh, okay, so this is where I have all my scarves. So I have cute little scarves in there. And then I also have like Christmas stuff and gift bags. So I'm going to leave that over here. But I'm just going to organize it so it looks nicer. Sorry if you can hear me because the tissue paper is so loud. Okay, so now I'm going to start with the bigger jackets because I don't wear those as often. So things like this one and this one. And I did just leave my cheer uniforms and my prom dress back there because I'm obviously going to leave them here. So yeah, there's no point in taking those out. Could you guys see that? It's lighting up. So I got this at Walmart. I think it was like 12 bucks. Love it. Elf is one of my favorite Christmas movies. Okay, so it's a little harder organizing sweaters, but I did try to put the sweaters that I will most likely wear in the front, and then the ones in the back are ones that I wear every so often, or like the jackets and stuff I don't normally wear because it doesn't get super cold out here, but if it does, then obviously I still have them. So yeah, I just put all the stuff that I think I would wear still in my closet, and then I have a pile right here that I'm going to put in a bag and donate it. So I'm gonna put this in a bag really quick, and then I'm gonna organize my hangers and stuff, and then we're going to go down here to my drawers. So that's where I keep like my socks, my underwear, and my PJs. So I do need to get rid of a lot of that stuff because I've had some of this stuff for way too long and it needs to go. So yeah, let's do that real quick. Okay, so as you can tell, these drawers are crazy. Like sometimes I organize them and then they just get a mess. I'm gonna sit on this side. Yeah, so I organize these drawers. So these ones I usually keep like my bra and underwears, and then this one my socks, and yes, mostly socks. And then the bottom is where I keep my PJs. So I need to get rid of a lot of the stuff in here, but I tend to like keep a lot of the stuff. But today I'm going to get rid of a lot of it because it needs to be, like, it just needs to be done. Like, why are PJ pants on the top drawer? I don't freaking know. Okay, so I got my bras and my underwear in this drawer, and I'm getting rid of all these underwears and bras that I need to get rid of. And these are sticky bras. These are really cool, and they feel cool. So as well, I have clothes in these drawers. these are all my boyfriend socks. Oh my god, I need to get those too. Okay, but these drawers are clean. You could close them. These towels are clean. These are what I would switch out of. Good. This is like my dirty clothes hamper right here. And then, okay, so that is basically it for my closet. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so now that the closet is clean, we go ahead and start with the stuff on this side, and then I also have that over here, like it's a mess. So let's dig right in and do what we gotta do. Okay, so that is basically everything I'm going to do today. I'm going to show you guys everything close up so you guys can see what it looks like, and I'm going to insert that clip right here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!